Got a little driveway wash here. Gonna get some surfactant. Gonna get sodium hypochlorite. Okay. Let's do this. 1 gallon. Honestly, I don't know if I want to put 4. I'll probably do like a mix of 3. Put like that much. Sodium hypochlorite. Alright, now let's treat the plants so that they don't freaking die. We gotta be quick about it. You can see the bleach starting to kill off this algae right here. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, watch this, guys. Watch the magic. Ready? all done. I'm just gonna get this little piece right here, and then I'm out, pretty much. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna post-treat it with chemicals so that it doesn't grow back.
You gonna do what?
Post-treat it with chemicals so that it gets rid of any remaining.
It's really cool.
Perfect.
Instead of doing 2 things.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. One more thing. Would you mind leaving like a quick review on my Google? I'll send you like a link, that way you can do it. Thank you so much, that helps me out a lot. Thank you. All right. Uh-huh. Really? Yeah. Pricing, yeah. I mean, I know like that price is because I worked for a company who did it, and I kind of like price the same way. In a way, in my opinion, you know, I think it's better to be known as doing good work rather than the cheap work, you know?
Eu com Dodê toma filha da puta. Eu com DJ toma filha da puta. Essa batida tá fuda. Vamos todos relar. Toma vaca, tudo tá vaca. Toma vaca, perereca.
Alright guys, we finished a little late. As you can see, it's getting dark out, but the results of the driveway, as you can see, it's absolutely amazing. So you can just see, I used here, you can see my entire system, but the sodium hypochlorite really did its job. Didn't leave any lines in the driveway, and it's absolutely cool. I mean, I wish it was more light outside so you can see just how good of a job that it did from the before. But yeah, absolutely amazing, guys. Perfect. She was super happy. All right guys, it's getting late, let's go home. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, if you guys don't know me, I'm 2 months into this business. I started with a mop and a squeegee, and within 2 months of being in the industry, I've been able to scale into $10,000 plus of equipment. So if you guys, hold up, let me put my speaker away. So if you guys want to follow me and follow this journey, if you guys want some tips on business, etc., hit the subscribe button, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.